In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use links in Logseq. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your notes into a connected, easy-to-navigate knowledge base using simple built-in linking. First, open Logseq and make sure you're in the graph where you keep your notes. You can use the desktop app or the web version. Either way, the process is the same. If you're brand new, a default graph will appear. If you already have one, just open it so you're ready to write. Next, head to the Journals section. This is your daily notes area, and it's perfect for quickly capturing thoughts, tasks, or meeting highlights. Click into today's page and start typing your details just like you would in any note. Don't worry about structure yet, the power comes from linking as you go. Now, let's create links. Whenever you mention a concept, project, or person you want to reference later, type 2 square brackets. The moment you type, Logseq opens a suggestion menu. Start typing the name of the page you have in mind. If it already exists, choose it from the list to link to that page instantly. If it doesn't exist yet, press enter to create it on the fly. This is the magic. The same keystroke both links to existing pages and lets you create new ones without breaking your writing flow. You can drop these bracketed links naturally into sentences. For example, write your note, then wrap the key term in double brackets to connect it. After the link is created, it becomes clickable. Select it to jump straight to that page where you can add more context, outline tasks, or paste references. As you keep linking, Logseq automatically builds relationships behind the scenes, so you'll see linked references showing where ideas connect across your notes. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Use clear, consistent names for pages so you don't end up with near duplicates. Let the suggestion menu guide you. If a page already exists, select it rather than typing a slightly different version. Keep links short and meaningful. You can always add details inside the page itself. And if you notice you created a link with a typo, fix the page name once and your links will stay coherent. That's all there is to it. Open Logseq, write in journals, and use double brackets to link or create pages as you mention them. Keep capturing your notes naturally, and those links will turn scattered thoughts into a connected, discoverable system. Thanks for watching and happy linking.